This is the unboxing of the M1 Pro MacBook Pro. This is simply the best laptop that Apple has created since stopping their collaboration with Intel. The M1 Pro chip is designed specially for high performance computing, and it provides fast and efficient performance for a range of tasks. This device is a beast for everything that you can do daily. Inside the box, you're going to get a charger from Apple and a MagSafe cable for charging. If you get the 140 watt charger, you're going to benefit from the full charging capacity of the MagSafe cable that can go up to 140 watt. The M1 Pro chip comes with an advanced graphic processing unit GPU that provide high quality graphics for demanding applications such as video editing. I use this device primarily with Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is the software that I use for video editing, and with this M1 Pro or M1 Max chip, this device does everything very fast. All other tasks that you may do in your daily life, surfing the internet, using other applications, other heavy applications, using CAD software, this device can do it all. If you take the primary version of this device with the lowest spec, you can do everything without issues. If your workflow is more of a professional workflow, you may need to upgrade the RAM memory on the device because it might be an issue in the future. I'm saying that because currently, while using the Final Cut Pro and doing more and more video editing, I seem to find the device to slow down a little bit. My workflow has drastically changed and become more heavier with the video production. So currently I wish I had 32 gigs of RAM instead of 16. If you know that you're not going to do things more professionally in the future and more heavier, go with the 16 gigs of RAM. It will serve you well enough. Frankly, for the basic and medium task, all the version of the M1 chip are going to do it.